Good morning everyone, my name is Kowsalya. I did my project on a React named Cake Shop website. So I have did 5 components: home, about, cake, gallery and order. So this is the home page code. Like this is the image mala potrukka text. So this is a home page website. So I include a banner image and the text plays the text on that. And that's a goals of a website art. So I created this portion by using flexbox. So I have created, if I hover them, it will translate y-axis. And then go on to next component. Home page or CSS. Then the paragraph text, paragraph 1 text, paragraph 2 or styles. About page, the textures, images, and the services or the text. This is the service side, our service or website, custom cake orders, cake decorating classes, cake decorating supplies. So I created this portion by using a Z-index. I placed the image, first image on the top of the second image. And this is your order page. You can order your name, your last name, email, pickup date, flavor, filling. For flavor, I've used a drop-down menu, and filling also I've used a drop-down menu. And for pickup and next delivery, I've used a radio button. And if you want to upload any images, you can upload here. And additional notes to be given and registered. Thanks.